Welcome back, guys, to another video. Sun's kind of a little funky. Welcome back. We're at my buddy's shop, my buddy Noah. We ended up bringing him the little plastic pieces on the side of the bed rails. The little plastic pieces that go on the side of the rail of the bed. Yeah, he's gonna end up painting those. My buddy, he's like, hey, let's do it. Let's get it down. I was like, hey, might as well, let's go. So he's gonna end up doing that. Right now he's getting it all prepped up. He just got to send it down, and he just ended up throwing him in the paint booth right now. So stay tuned for that. We're gonna see what's up, how it gets done, how it gets painted. We're gonna take you how he does his thing, and from there I'm gonna just show you how it goes. Does his thing. We'll see you there. As you can tell, we got the little my buddy Noah's intros. Check them out. I'm gonna have to cop them, buy another set from him. This is my buddy's truck. Yeah, he's working on these little 2 wheels right here. Pretty big shop. Got a lot of work. And there's a paint booth, obviously, right here. Take a little quick pick around about the paint booth. Sheesh. Freaking paint booth. And then there's another one over there too. But yeah, we're gonna quick run around about this shop right here. Pretty dope, pretty nice, pretty freaking huge. But we're about to go in the paint booth here in a minute, throw a mask on, get masked up and stuff, and we're gonna show you how this shit gets painted. All right, cool. So my buddy just got done spraying some sealer on the side panel of the trim plastic pieces. Came out pretty sick. That sealer real quick. He knows what he's doing. A little mask, but man, he gets down. He gets down like downtown. But I'm gonna show. I'll go ahead and show y'all, like, you know, what the sealer does, and I'm about to pass the camera to him so he can talk about what it is, you know, what he's doing. You can tell. I was talking about the sealer earlier. Basically, like, kind of like primer slash sealer. What he was telling me. Man, they're coming out like glass. I'm not even gonna lie. It's not even clear coat. It kind of looks like it's already cleared, but it's not. Gonna check that out. All that texture is gonna come out, but pretty nice if you ask me. You're good.
Alrighty, so all we do is let's sit it down. That's raw plastic. And they paint on raw plastic. They won't do it, just flake off in the end. But all I gotta do now is fucking toss in some paint, and after that, it's clear and we're all good to go.
Hell yeah, let's get it.
Ain't too many can bang with us. Straight up, no label us notorious. Thug ass that love the bus. It's strange to us. Y'all be scrambling, gambling. I'm restaurants with mandolins and violins. We just sitting here trying to win, trying not to sin. High off oxygen, so much smoke need oxygen. Steadily counting them Benjamins. You should too if you knew what this game would do to you. Been in this since '92. Look at all the bullshit I've been through. So-called beef with you know who. A few female stars or two. Then I'm blue like Mike. Not to be f***ed with, but better duck quick. Cause me and my dogs love it, but the luck, strictly aim. No aspirations to take the game. Spit your game, talk your grab your, pull your clip, squeeze your clip, hit the right one. Pass them, I got the like one. All them, I got to fight one. All them, I got the like one. Our situation is a tight one. What you gonna do? Fight or run? Seems to me that you'll take B, bone and big, not slowly. I'ma tell you like it told me. Cash roll everything around me. Lyrically, can't see me. Body, cook, cut it, know the boy you call yourself loving it, it would've been in it. Doesn't it seem odd to you? Big come through with mobs and crews, good fellas down to the meat stuff, dude. Who's the killer?
Y'all guys so much for watching the video. We ended up making the outro here outside the shop because it was already too dark. We ended up finishing them I think late at night. So, and then the bed rails are right here. They came out pretty sick, pretty clean. I'll go ahead and flip the camera here right now so I can show y'all. But like I said, thank y'all so much for watching the video. And like I said, until next time, I think we're gonna end up posting. We're gonna end up going to Las Vegas. So I'm gonna end up posting that video here soon. If not here, probably same now. I'm about to drop this one, that same video. So y'all go ahead and stay tuned, like, subscribe, share, and don't forget to hit the like button. See you on the next one.